integrated national education program, the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, has been launched for universalizing elementary education and a national mission constituted with the Prime Minister as chairman. The program aims to provide 8 years of quality elementary education for all children up to the age of 14 years in a mission mode with a trust of community ownership, disadvantaged group and girls quality education and alternative modes of education. All existing schemes on elementary education will converge with this scheme after the 9th plan, and it will cover all districts in the country by March next year. We are determined to maintain and strengthen our competitiveness in the field of technology education. A task force set up for this purpose under the HRD Minister has made wide-ranging recommendation to upgrade and expand this area of education. The Roorkee Engineering College will be upgraded into an IIT, and funding for IIT Guwahati has been stepped up to ensure its early completion. The base of IIMS to be expanded. Regional engineering college are to be strengthened and new institutes will be set up with public-private partnership. The role of the private sector will be encouraged. A new centrally sponsored scheme for computer literacy and studies in schools is being launched, and other initiative plan for encouraging IT education from school college levels. Last year, I announced the availability of 100% deduction from income tax of payments made to institutions for vocational education and training by the private sector set up in rural areas and small towns. I propose to make the same deduction available for payment to engineering institution also. Parachin. Mr. Speaker, sir, I have personally experienced poverty and faced problem in pursuing higher study. I therefore felt that no deserving student in the country should be deprived of higher and technical education for want of finances. I am glad that the Indian Banks Association has formulated a new comprehensive educational loan scheme which will cover all courses in schools and colleges in India and abroad. Loans will be available under this scheme up to rupees 7.5 lakh for study in India and rupees 15 lakh for studies abroad. No collateral or margin will be stipulated for loans up to rupees 4 lakh. The interest rate will not exist PLR plus 1% for loan